Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram enable to load image. To know how to fix Instagram enable to load image, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps here, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram. When you will see this list, you will go down to click here for stop, and when you will end this, you will click storage. After that, in this page you will click clear cache, and then you will click clear data, and after all that you can turn off your Wi-Fi like this. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.